Good morning, good afternoon, grade 9. Let's have now science 9. Okay, let me share my screen. We'll have a new topic for the second quarter. Okay, the second quarter already, lesson 1, detailing harmonies and narrations. Let's take a look at the relationship between these terminologies and even how character traits are being passed from one generation to another. Ready? All right. Heredity, inheritance, and variation. Nature versus nurture. Okay? Humans grow and develop according to the instructions in their gene or genetic instructions. Right? To understand these instructions, they put general budget. This is actually from 1990 to 2003. Okay? Map out the sequence of genes which help develop many fields, including medicine and human evolution. Okay? The human genus project. The concluded that there are about 20,500 genes that affect human development. Okay? This big number makes oops. I think because of the very okay. This big number makes it difficult to separate the relative influence of heredity and environment on an individual's characteristic. So again, there is a big impact also of your environment or environmental factor in terms of your development. It is not about only the trees, but it is also about your environment, working in trees to make it. Let's take a look at this one. It's really an interesting topic because we are talking about how your character traits are being mapped out, how your character traits are being passed from one generation to another. The environment may influence the growth and development of the height, for instance, is determined by genes. If you are tall, if your parents are tall, then the disease is normal. As simple as that. Right? However, inadequate nutrition and lack of sleep may lead to stunted growth. We need to say this is an external factor. So because you didn't give proper nourishment that your body needs for development, you might have stunted growth. Okay? You might not grow the bone. In similar, intelligence which includes speed processing information has been known to be genetically contributed. Based by the genes, it is the genes. Arts, okay? Your field of arts, that's under intelligence. The way you process information, another, that's in the field of your intelligence. That is actually in your genes. It is proven that it is genetically controlled. Question is how did this transfer to you? Nonetheless, even if the person is predisposed to becoming intelligent, okay, if the environment where he or she grows up is not stimulating, if you're exposed in an environment that you are not stimulated, you are not developed, the tendency is similarly, the person may not have the perfect combination of genes or intelligence, but if the environment motivates you and nurtures learning, the person may develop a higher attention function or IQ. In fact, there have been researches that correlate with environment and intelligence. So we need to see now, again, maybe it's not what the bubble is. Sometimes also, or many times, your environment might also affect you as an individual. This is why I am helping you develop your critical thinking skills and your scientific skills. That's the main reason why your activities in moral analysis. That's to nurture your intelligence. DNA, genes, chromosomes, and traits. Traits are observable characteristics. Again, traits. These are observable characteristics determined by genes. Okay, again. Traits are observable characteristics determined by genes. So what are these observable characteristics? What are the observable characteristics? What can you observe physically? That is under observable characteristics. That's traits. Short, tall, color of the hair. That's observable traits. Color of the eyes, color of the skin. What else? The form of the face. Okay. What else? Form of the eyes. What else? Your body form is genetically driven. What else? Your hair? Yes. So those are the observable characteristic or the traits, which is actually determined by the cell genes. Genes refer to a specific segment of the nucleic acid or DNA. Please take down notes. For DNA, it is a double helix molecule composed of a base strands, each like this is found inside the chromosome. These would come out in this. The sides of the ladder are made of sugar and phosphate group. Again, the sides of the ladder are made of sugar and phosphate groups. DNA molecules, while steps of there are made up of nitrogen chromosome, nitrogen-based chromosome or pairs. You don't agree? Okay. You need to break down notes simply because there are a lot of terminologies there. Do not memorize them. Instead, familiarize them. I have this topic when I was still in high school. That was like a year. A year that is grade 8. You done? In gene is a length of DNA that codes for a particular protein. So the DNA itself carries the set of instruction or codes in particular protein that perform its function. For example, a gene may code the protein for your hair, or a protein like insulin, which is the level of glucose in the blood. Sure. Is diabetes mellitus genetic? The answer is the big yes. Because it is controlled by a protein. Your protein, okay, which actually what? Perform specific function. And the code, which is your DNA, carries that specific function. The instruction, that specific function. Okay, the gene is also responsible for the uniqueness of each individual for the similarities shared among family members. So in her napping, it is called family. Okay. So it runs in the genes, not in the blood. Okay. It runs in the genes. If you have if your family has a gene for um, Chinese eyes, Chinese looking eyes, or you will be carrying the one because that is dominant for channel. Okay, let's take our notes. Genes store information needed to make necessary proteins that will code specific traits. DNA make up the chromosome found inside the nucleus of the cell. So this is actually by the cell. Okay. The chromosomes replicate the portal device to make sure that each daughter cell contains the complete set of chromosomes. Do you have any questions so far? Where's in the introduction part? This is still under introduction part again. Okay? From upload to diploid. So let's take a look at these terminologies. What are these terminologies and what could be the possible effect of these terminologies? Haploid to diploid, or haploid and diploid. All living things reproduce to perpetuate their own kind and pass their characteristics to their offspring. Okay, since we are multicellular organisms, or multicellular organisms like human beings as us, the sex cells or gametes undergo cell division to maintain the chromosome number of species. How many chromosomes do we have? Huh? How many chromosomes do we have? Have you heard about this terminology already? No, right? Okay. Human itself has 48 chromosomes. Okay. 48 chromosomes. How many pairs? If we have all 48. Hello, human itself has 23, 46 chromosomes. 46 chromosomes. How many chromosomes or how many pairs of chromosomes do we have? Because this is in pairs, X and Y. So if we have 46 chromosomes, all in all, so how many pairs are they? Then 23 pairs. Okay, 23 pairs of chromosomes. So since haploid, it means to say it is the half of the number of chromosomes. It is actually divided because again we have male and female. We have eggs or cell and sperm cells. Okay, these are gametes. These gametes contains a half number of chromosomes. So since human itself has 46 chromosomes all in all, okay, we have 23 chromosomes found in the sperm and 23 chromosomes found in the egg or egg cell. Okay, that is to maintain the number of chromosomes of their species or in the certain species. Do you have a question so far? We get it? The process by which sex cells divide and shuffle their genetic information or material is called meiosis. Okay. Meiosis is the process by which sex cells or your first eggs divide and shuffle their genetic material. This is the main reason why we are considered unique. Even, even science twins, even paternal maternal twins, there is no such thing as the same. Are you sure? John? Yes. They are not the same. Even identical twins, they are not the same. Try to check their ears, their eyes, they are not the same. Okay, this is because of you.
Nice with your color.
Okay, meiosis takes place in the production of sperm and egg cells. Sperm cells and egg cells of animals and in the anther and ovaries flowering plants. This is now the reproductive parts of the plants. Okay, anther and ovaries. Okay. underproduce pollen grains. Okay. Which eventually what travel in the ovary. It results in the daughter cells that possess half number of chromosomes of the parent cell. The sex cells are said to be diploid if it contains half number of chromosomes. That's a big speech. With two haploid cells unite during fertilization, the new organism may carry the original number of chromosomes of their species. For instance, humans, in a zygote, if we have a zygote, it is the union between sperm and egg. So from haploid, which is 23 chromosomes, it will become 46 chromosomes. Humans have 23 chromosomes in their gametes. Okay. In sperm and in eggs. Okay. And therefore, contain the half of the complete set of chromosomes. During fertilization, okay, the sperm carries only half and unite to the egg that involves the haploid. The two haploids we have. If you have two haploids, we can now have two haploids. The representation of haploid is N. Okay. If you have two haploids, it will become 2N, which is your diploid. Okay. Both parents contribute a copy for each gene to the resulting offspring. Okay. The set of chromosomes of both parents now result in a complete set of 46 chromosomes, all in one. Okay. In the developing horizon. The resulting site is said to be diploid, which is represented by two. Is the downloads. N is haploid, while N is diploid. Remember, this is second quarter already. It is now haploids. Okay, they're just here for the all cells in the body except for the sperm and eggs contain the complete of chromosomes. Okay, the first 22 pairs are the chromosomes or the body chromosomes of autosomes. The first 22 pairs. Autosomes or the body chromosomes carries what? The genetic material for your attributes. Okay. And the 23rd pair makes up the sex relations or gonosomes. Sex chromosomes or gonosomes. Please take down notes. The sex chromosomes determine the sex of an individual. The egg and sperm cells carry one member, the sex chromosome pair. Oops. Very. Okay. So if we have female, okay, it is usually XX. Okay, male is X1. So since female is XX, it doesn't contain Y. Okay, this is usually from the egg. Okay, XY, this is the determining factor. Now, because female carries X, female carries X, it depends upon the sperm. If the sperm will give a Y, Or if the sperm gives an X, if the sperm gives an X to the offspring, okay, the offspring will become female. If the sperm will give a Y chromosome, the offspring will become male. That's how nature works. Did you get the point? Huh? Stop. You sure? Make sure that you know what you're gonna do. Because you have a pay factor. We have time. We have time. My next meeting. Huh? Please ask questions. Again, I want you to ask questions in order for me to evaluate and understand the lesson. If you will not help yourself, then I will not help you. Cannot help you out if you are not helping yourselves. I cannot force this lesson if you don't move. But your grade is still there. I still need to come up with your grade. That's the reason behind that. I am not a typical teacher because I don't receive. I will not do it. But I will not take you with your grade, of course. This is the actual lesson. Some of these terminologies are not found in your book. That's why you need to take down notes. Okay? Did you understand this lesson? Huh? This is just very easy. And usually student will make this complicated. Yes. These are just very easy concepts. And if I peruse this on the board, these are just very easy. You look at two letters, but no, you will make this complicated. Huh? The egg always carries an X chromosome. That's what I had discussed a while ago. While the sperm carries both X and Y. X and Y. Simple. Do not make it complicated. Okay? An X bearing sperm fertilizes an egg. Okay? If the sperm will give again an X, okay, the offspring will become female. So the determinant factor for male and female, okay, in the union between sperm and egg is the sperm. Because the sperm carries worms and the egg only carries X. It's amazing. Did you understand? Huh? Okay. Importante, do not make it complicated. But if the one bearing of space fertilizes an egg, okay, the resulting string is made. So X and Y. It will become unique. Okay. In short, the 44 chromosomes are autosomes. 44. Why 44? Because all in all, we have 46 chromosomes. So the 44 chromosomes are considered autosomes, which is what? Carrying your attributes, okay, your genetic characteristics. While the 45th and 46th are considered as sex chromosomes or gonosomes, which carries your gender, male or female. Okay? The largest chromosome is chromosome contain 8,000 genes, while the smallest chromosome 21, contains 300 genes. Okay. Question so far? Again, do not take it complicated. It's just very easy. Correct? You just need to write this one over. Okay. Chromosome structure. And then don't forget the terms. Chromosomes are organized structures that the nucleus of the cell, or is found inside the nucleus. Okay? They carry information essential to cellular functions such as cell division and cell differentiation. With cell division, this is actually the process of what? Generating chromosomes. This is how we grow through cell division. This is how we repair our body. And the natural way the body is through cell division. Okay? And cell differentiation. Okay? If you're going to observe a zygote, okay, from a single cell, it will become different parts of your body. You say it performs cell differentiation. That's cell differentiation. It will become different parts of your body. So if you're going to observe again how human is formed from zygote to a fetus, you can observe that a zygote or has what? The first to develop is the notochord, the spine. Okay. So it looks like a tadpole. It has notochords for spine. So from there, okay, because the distance from that certain stem it will form different cells of your body, different parts of your body. It is called cell differentiation. Right? The transformation comes from the root word from, which means color, and C, which means body. Colored body. Why? Because chromosomes, they are sustained by some chemical dyes used in research. They are highly transparent. That's the main reason here. Chromosomes are stained by some colorful dyes, again, because they are very transparent. Again, the term chroma means color, and sigma means body. Colored body. Under the microscope, you can observe them colored because again, chromosomes are highly transparent. They are transparent. In fact, they are jellyfish in form. They look like gelatin. Questions? Are you okay? Are you okay with that? Huh? This is part of your major exam. Take note. And then you will tell me, sure, it's so hard. Don't think it hard. Because you're sleeping in my class, it's hard. These are just introduction. And we'll do a lot of activities after this. This is face-to-face already. In fact, I am planning to have a movie exam. Are you familiar with movie exam? Have you tried movie exam? The movie exam is just like this. I will play different controls chairs. And you will answer it once the bell starts. Okay? And once the bell rings again, you need to transfer to the next and your other class will answer. The rest will follow. It's the exam. We are planning to do that. Let's continue. Still have time, 5 minutes more. Chromosomes appear double-stranded in the nucleus of cells for cell division. Okay? What is the purpose of your chromosome again? Of your nucleus? What is the purpose of the chromosome? It carries. Correct. It carries essential information. Meaning to say it carries the genetic characteristic or genetic makeup of the synthetic organism. Okay. Each strand is called chromatid or sister chromatid. Is made up of a long-acting molecule coiled into histons. Okay. The DNA molecule wrapped around protein core called nucleosome. Please again take down notes. The nucleosome is the basic unit of chromosomes. Please take down notes. You done copy? You done? Huh? You done again? It's okay to take down notes as long as you promise that you will pass the exam. It's okay. I will continue. Chromatids are linked at a point called centromere. Okay, let's have the illustrator later, which divides chromosome into two sections or two arms. The short section of the chromosome is called the P arm, and the long section of the chromosomes are called the Q arm. Okay, this is the illustration. As you can see, this is a chromatid. Sister chromatid, we going to divide it over. At the center, they are actually connected with centromere. Okay, kinetochore is actually a protein that surrounds centromere. Okay, this is your short P, this one, okay, P arm, and the long Q arm, this one, this Q arm. Okay, telomeres are protections. Okay, telomeres are actually on the tips of your chromosome. That is to protect the chromosomes, to keep it intact. Do you have any questions so far? Questions? It's already time. Let's continue by next meeting, hopefully. You prepare also for a short quiz. Okay? Stand prepared. Do you have any questions so far? It's okay, you can also ask in our GC if you have questions. We'll be answering your inquiries in our GC. Yes. Nicole? You can do my class. Thank you. Please take your seats. Bakit? What was that? Ah, okay.
Hey, who are you?
It's
Who are you?
Let's close the door that time. Okay. Guys, what
The printer, but the class,
Straight straight akong schedule. Greggy, stop doing that. You not sit on that. You move down. Where's the globe?
We're getting it on Saturday. We're getting it on Saturday too. I asked her where's the glue.
What are you doing outside? What happened to you? Please remember the prayer.